Welcome back to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Shiba Inu, as Shiba Inu is in the red, but looks like Shiba Inu could be getting set up for something absolutely massive. The Shib versus Doge race isn't over. Let's go ahead and do a deep dive on what's going on with everyone's favorite meme coin, Shib. Or is that everyone's favorite meme coin at this point? I think people are still more favorable for Doge, but let's go ahead and do a deep dive for Shiba Inu, a little bit of Shiba Inu versus Doge as well. Before we get started, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss a single update like this. And remember guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That being said, make sure you check out the partner for our channel, which is Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously, and will be a download link found in the description box below. So definitely check it out. It's multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial crypto wallet. Definitely check out Best Wallet. Again, link in the description box below. Now, taking a look back at things at the market, specifically at Shiba Inu, what is going on with Shib? I mean, the entire crypto market has taken a massive hit. As you can see, we're seeing red all across the board, but I think something could be brewing for Shib, even though Shib is down over 60% on the year, on the day down about 5%, on the week down 10%, and the month still up over 4%. So this is a good buying opportunity. That's what it's starting to look like. We see Ethereum tokenization could lift up Shiba Inu price. Ethereum is at the center of tokenization discussion, with the real-world asset deployment on its blockchain driving fresh momentum. As narrative gains traction, analysts suggest Shiba Inu could also benefit from Ethereum's tokenization push. Ethereum's tokenized narrative, the process of being real-world assets onto Ethereum, is fueling optimism for Ethereum's long-term growth. Tokenization is seen as a major step towards mainstream adoption, potentially unlocking trillions in value from financial markets, kind of like we've been seeing go with the whole ETF side. Why Shiba Inu will benefit. Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum ecosystem, stands to gain from the increased network activity and liquidity. As tokenization expands, demand for Ethereum-based tokens could rise, indirectly boosting Shib's visibility and utility. Market outlook: Ethereum momentum. Tokenization talks are adding bullish pressure to Ethereum's price. Shib's potential increasing Ethereum's adoption could spill over into Shiba Inu, strengthening its speculative appeal. Again, this is why Shiba Inu has been standing out so much, because it's not just a meme coin, but a full-fledged utility coin at this point, and it's been growing its demand. And as Ethereum gets larger and bigger, this will be very, very bullish for Shiba Inu. Now, there's another L2 project similar to Shiba Inu that I've been covering in great detail, and that is Bitcoin Hyper, a crypto pre-sale project currently in pre-sale right now. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and more effective. They have reached over $31 million in the pre-sale, and the fund is just getting started, as they're going to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and more effective, bring some of the L2 benefits to Bitcoin that we haven't seen in some time. Bitcoin Hyper will unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions, which will unleash the true power of Bitcoin. If you're interested in buying to the pre-sale, you can buy it on the website with card or crypto. And I'll be leaving the website link in the description box below. Back to Shiba Inu, we definitely see Shiba Inu is making headlines. All eyes seem to be on Shiba Inu. But what about this article that's just more bullish for Dogecoin, but it's just something to keep in mind. Dogecoin leaves Shiba Inu behind an ETF race after SEC appeal. Dogecoin pulls ahead of Shiba Inu after its ETF gains SEC approval and begins trading. Highlights growth of the gap in the meme ETFs. Now, yes, this is obviously very bullish for Dogecoin, and I know it doesn't directly benefit Shiba Inu, but I still think Shiba Inu is going to get that benefit, because when people start getting exposed to the meme market, they're going to see that Shiba Inu is the second largest meme coin. But I think in the long-term future, it's very, very beneficial. We'll see the headlines of versus. I don't think it's, in this case, it's versus. I think it's actually beneficial for both projects here, which is very, very bullish for both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. I think we're going to only continue seeing the Shib army grow alongside of the Dogecoin community as well. Price action looking decent. Again, obviously we're in the red, but it's a tremendous time for those to buy if you haven't bought already. In terms of the day, it's the third most visited meme coin. not too bad. Even though the whole meme coin market was hit, it's not an isolated event for Shiba Inu. Market down about 4%. Fear ingredients at 34 fear. And our side currently sitting oversold. I'd imagine that the next couple of days, especially tomorrow being Monday, a fresh week, we're probably going to see a lot of volume come back in and imagine to see things start pumping once more. But again, guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's a friend. Peace.